Hey everyone! If you're a small investor looking for cheapest AI altcoins, this video is for you. Today, we'll check out 2 AI crypto coins that are still easy to buy but have a lot of potential in the next bull run. Stay with me till the end, and don't forget to check my last video on 5 cheap coins under $1. I'll link it right here. Let's start. Coin number 1, Ocean Protocol. Ocean Protocol, ticker Ocean, is a blockchain project that lets people share and sell data safely. Think of it like a marketplace for data that companies and researchers can trust. Right now, Ocean is priced around 27 cents, making it accessible for small investors. Its market cap is about $168 million, with 629 million tokens circulating out of a total of 1,410 million. Ocean is also part of the Superintelligence Alliance, teaming up with other AI projects to develop a new token called ASI. As AI adoption grows, this partnership could help increase the value of Ocean over time. Coin number 2, ORAIChain, ORAI. ORAIChain, ticker ORAI, is the first AI-powered oracle for blockchains. It helps smart contracts access AI tools quickly and safely, making blockchain apps smarter. ORAI costs about $2.57, still affordable for small investors. Unlike many other coins, ORAIChain's token supply is limited, which helps reduce the risk of inflation. The project has a strong community of developers and AI enthusiasts, and it continues to expand its ecosystem with new AI tools and partnerships. This focus on building a practical, usable AI blockchain network makes ORAI stand out from other altcoins and gives it promising long-term potential. ORAIChain offers over 100 AI tools, including NFT creation with copyright protection and a yield platform powered by AI. The project is building a full AI ecosystem which could drive growth in the years ahead. And there you have it, 2 AI altcoins under $3 with strong potential for small investors. If you want to explore more cheap crypto gems, check out my previous video on altcoins under $1. It's linked after this video and could help you discover more opportunities. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Crypto prices can go up or down, and investing always carries risk. Always do your own research before investing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.